This is the Asus Strix G18. I was going to buy the Alienware M18, but it's very bulky, very big, and heating problem. And then I was going to buy the 16:9 70.3 inch HP Omen. Amazing mechanical switch, but again heating is a problem. Asus have the best heating solution. I use the Asus Duo ROG. It never overheat. So I just bought this laptop G18 just because of it cooling system, liquid metal. If you want a powerful PC, then go with Asus. Some people call it Asus. In Asia we just call it Asus. So let me do the unboxing. The box is really massive, to be honest with you. It's a massive box. Okay, it's a really massive box. Let me pull the camera a little bit behind so you can easily see. The box is like nice. There's no competition right now. This laptop is a MacBook killer. I will be upgrading to 96 GB, maybe 16 TB storage, 8 TB SSD plus 8 TB. And within Windows world, there's no competition with Asus. Asus G16, G18. I really want that Asus come back with a mechanical keyboard, but again this one is feel like a, how to say, do you know their keyboard on Amazon selling like mechanical keyboard feeling? They're not mechanical, they feel like mechanical sometimes. So this has the same feeling. Also a little bit the keyboard feel a little bit better compared to the HP Omen red switch. Again this is not a mechanical, this is just a membrane, but again it have some kind of like spring inside. It's a little bit bouncy, so it gives you like a low profile mechanical feel. Oh, okay. The laptop is this side. Oh no. The laptop is this side. Oh yeah. Okay, I come to you later. Just 1 minute. And let me see what inside. Just 1 minute. What is this? A tiger? This is a wolf. Okay, it comes with a free mouse. Also it comes with a bag. It comes with a 17.3 inch laptop bag, but it can fit the G18 18 inch. This one still in 16:9 mode have bigger screen than the HP 17.3. What kind of mouse is this? Strike Impact mouse. This is around for $50 mouse. I'm gonna game. Oh, this is a $50 mouse. Again, I don't like using wired mouse anymore. But again, you know, just in emergency when your battery died. Again, my battery, I'm not using like a changeable battery like AAA mouse battery. I'm just using a built-in battery mouse because it's very easy to instantly charge or keep using by plugging in the wire. Okay, what is this? Let me put inside. And there is a, what is this? What is this? This is some kind of warranty, 2-year warranty, and this is the adapter. Awesome. Okay, this is the adapter. 280 watt. I was 280, but this is freaking slim. Only 400-500 gram. Slim. It is slim, dude. Okay. It comes with a beautiful mouse. Let me just put inside the mouse because I'll be using later on maybe. So now let me turn on the laptop. 240 Hz Quad HD 500 nits. Again the HP Omen was only 300 nits. It does not have liquid cooling. It have 3 fans. HP Omen 17.3 also. HP Omen have a RTX 470. This is 460, but it have a powerful CPU i9 3980HX. A 24. So how many, like 24 core? Yeah, something like that. 8 performance core, and then I think so. How many, like 8 performance core and maybe 12. Like some kind of 12 like low performance core, something like that. I mean, but I know this is one of the world's powerful CPU. So let me just open it. I'm excited. 18 inch 18 inch 18 inch. Because last my laptop was Asus G18, I sold it because I did not found the secondary screen was that sharp. If you are going to get Asus G18, please get with a 4K secondary screen. Otherwise the screen is not that sharp. So I was not using the secondary screen anymore. I was using the external screen. Please remove this sticker before using. No, I don't want to remove. Okay, can we remove? Okay, I will remove. I really want to put a screen protector because the keyboard is like outside, so it can damage the. It can scratch the screen. Wow! 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 Amazing laptop. Wow, what a beauty! What a beauty! Where is the power adapter? Okay, the power adapter is somewhere there. What a beauty! So finally, it's ready. We are gonna use a low profile mechanical. You can fit up to 11.5 centimeter or 115 cm, around 115 cm keyboard height. You can use the Keychron K6. Use a keyboard without the function row, like 60 or 65%. You can easily put here for typing. Other than that, I mean, this screen, beauty and beautiful. I mean, amazing, lovely screen. Wow. Let's go to the armory crate, my favorite. I really do not like the Lenovo Legion Space. I really don't like. I mean, this laptop scream and beautiful. So finally, everything is like ready to go. I mean, in the armory crate, I'm using the manual mode at everything at maximum. And I put like if it's get like 90% temperature, the fan should be 86%. And if it's like I think if it's get like 94, 98, 97% fan. So overall, it's a very nice panel. I mean, I'm loving it, to be honest with you. Let me do a quick speed typing test so you can confirm and continue without. Okay, live typing speed test. Let's start. Okay, let's start. Let's go. So I did 50. Wow. So I'm really liking this laptop. Highly recommended. It's a beautiful laptop. A must buy. Subscribe and buy.